This is my intro. This is my intro. This is my intro. Problem solved.
Hi guys! So, it's your girl Nash and I'm here wearing a super vintage dress. Actually, hindi siya vintage. Feeling ko it's new dress pero styled as vintage. So what I'm gonna do is of course, is another episode of Thrift Flip, as you can see in the title. So I'm going to edit this one into a better piece where I could actually wear. Because I think I could only wear this if the Halloween theme is Zombieland 1950s edition. Anyway, so for today's video, I'll show you how I edit this into a cute off-shoulder dress. Bye!
In this tutorial, all you need is a straight black dress from the thrift store. So my plans with this dress is to just remove the top, make it an off shoulder, and try to make it fit to me. So that's it. See you. So that's what I did. I cut the top part of the dress to make it look like an off shoulder dress, and after cutting it, my plan is to put garters under the chest so it would have a nice fit, and also garter at the top. So at first, have to hem the top part. For me, I just used a zigzag stitch because I know the cloth won't fray. So I just use a zigzag stitch all over and hem the top part of the dress. Next is I measure a garter that would fit under my chest so that the dress would have, a fit and would look sexier. So I'm gonna sew the garter to the dress, but of course I need to make the sides straight and also put the center of the garter on the first side of the dress and align the two sides together so that the stretch would be uniform in all sides of the dress. So when I sew it, I make sure I stretch the garter all over the place. So the next one, to sew a garter at the top part, the off shoulder part, and do the same steps all over again. Measure the garter that would fit on the sides of my arms to arms, and once I got it, I have to look for the center of the garter and pin it to the first side, and then sew it in uniform stretches. So pin every side so that it will be uniform because the stretch would be ugly. So here is the finished product.